Tesla is a prime example of internal innovation combined with a market-shaping strategy. They didn't just build a car, they built a new reality for transportation. Entering a market that required both consumer education and a new infrastructure, Tesla reduced perceived risk through bold design, exceptional performance, and a comprehensive charging network. Their innovation extends from battery chemistry to over-the-air software updates, allowing the product to iterate and improve long after it leaves the factory floor. However, this path is not without risk. Production delays, cost pressures, and intense global competition challenge even the most established innovators. The lesson from Tesla is clear. Breakthrough products succeed when technical innovation is paired with a strategic vision that shapes the market itself. But how does a company innovate when facing extreme external pressure? Join us in Chapter 7 as we analyze the resilience of Huawei.